School nutrition professionals face many challenges throughout the day. They need an oven that cooks large quantities fast, then holds food hot, fresh, and at peak quality. Winston's CVap technology has been helping improve student nutrition since the 1980s. CVap technology controls food's moisture evaporation, and it's amazingly effective at maintaining food's appeal and nutrients. Items do not overcook or dry out thanks to a precise balance of dry air heat and moist vapor heat. As a result, product shrinkage is less than a CVap oven compared to our competitors. There's nothing more unappealing than a puckered pea or a haggard hamburger. CVap equipment frees up valuable kitchen space. No need to put our ovens under a hood, they don't require them. And CVap ovens don't require direct floor drain hookups. The COVID-19 crisis has highlighted the importance of being flexible and mobile. CVap equipment makes it easier to transition from a conventional kitchen to a mobile or grab-and-go food site. CVap ovens are incredibly versatile. They're ideal for frozen commodities or chubs, but can also roast, bake, braise, steam, retherm, and more. This technology is designed to maintain food temperature precisely and safely for extended periods of time. The primary difference between us and other brands is that CVap is the only technology that directly controls food moisture with heated water vapor. Controlling moisture means controlling food temperature. Other humidified ovens control temperature indirectly, which is less precise. CVap ovens also use dry heat as a secondary heat source to control the surface texture, crispness, and browning of food. The unrivaled precision of CVap ovens makes HACCP compliance easy to achieve and document. CVap ovens are also smart. They feature 8 preset channels specifically programmed for popular school food items. Need more flexibility? You can reprogram any channel to better suit your menu using the wireless CVap programming app or desktop app to load signature dishes for repeatedly consistent results. The possibilities are limitless. You can maximize your time with CVap ovens' overnight cooking and delayed start feature. Load ovens in the evening and arrive in the morning to precisely cook ready to serve food. Or set the oven to preheat just before your crew clocks in, ensuring it's ready to cook when they are. CVap retherm ovens are set and forget simple. They transition to an automatic hold when the cook cycle completes. No need to babysit. Winston has always been a strong advocate for improving student nutrition. For over a decade, we've partnered with the School Nutrition Foundation as the underwriter for the Winston Equipment Grant. This grant donates 10 pieces of CVap equipment, approximately $50,000 in value, to one deserving school district every year. Winston is also a longtime SNA patron and a friend of the School Nutrition Foundation. At Winston, we want to save schools money and make it easier for them to upgrade their kitchens. The Winston Trade Up and Save program enables schools to ditch obsolete or broken ovens or holding cabinets. No matter the brand, Winston will give you up to $1,000 for each piece with the purchase of an equivalent CVap unit. If you're trading in an old CVap unit, we'll kick in an additional $250 towards a new one. That's a total of up to $1,250 when you trade in one Winston product for another. CVap equipment comes with the best extended school warranty on the market. Our school warranty covers 2 years on labor and 5 years on parts. We can offer this because we know our equipment is rugged and reliable. Our customers rave about the exceptional customer care they receive and the quick and reliable service provided. Trust Winston, we've got your back. The goal for all school lunch programs is to maximize the quality and quantity of food that they prepare for their students. Cooking and holding with CVap assists in that goal, adding that extra hand in the kitchen. But don't take our word for it. Choose Winston Equipment for your school nutrition program. We'll be here to support you from product selection to customer care. Visit winstonfoodservice.com and follow us on social media for product insight, recipes, and more.